The Mate 20 Pro, Huawei's attempt at providing a killer flagship to the masses. What is so different in it? Why should you consider getting this over a Note 9 or a Pixel 3 XL? Let's answer all those questions in this video. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Sundar, this is Technology Jock. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get regular video updates. Let's now begin with listing out some incredible features of the Mate 20 Pro, starting with the gorgeous design. Huawei has been upping their design game over and over again. Unlike with the P20 Pro, Huawei has gone for a symmetric look for the back panel. Unlike most other glass backs, this textured back improves the grip and avoids fingerprints and scratches to an extent. And the gradient look is just fantastic, easily the best in class. Next up, the display, which is again gorgeous. It's super bright, crisp, vivid, all thanks to the OLED display with a whopping resolution of 3120 by 1440 pixels. The display has support for HDR as well. There is also a natural tone mode which works like Apple's True Tone feature by adjusting the color temperature depending on the ambient lighting conditions. Yes, there's a reasonably big notch up there, but it's not a typical unnecessary notch. This one has quite a lot of things packed up, like a dot projector, a flood illuminator, an infrared camera, and so on, to help with 3D face unlock, just like on the iPhone X and iPhone XS. So it's not like any other face unlock, this is genuinely secure thanks to the dedicated hardware. The Mate 20 Pro has not just one, but two different super secure ways to unlock the phone. The second one is through the in-display fingerprint scanner, which works flawlessly. It's both fast and accurate. I do find 3D face unlock to be faster and more convenient in my experience with the phone. Let's now move on to performance, because that's one area where the Mate 20 Pro stands very tall thanks to the new Kirin 980 chip. It's manufactured on the 7nm FinFET technology, so the Mate 20 Pro is extremely power efficient. Couple that with the fact that there's a humongous 4200 mAh battery, best in class for a flagship, the battery life is gonna be seriously good. Huawei has also bundled a 40-watt supercharger in the box. It can charge the Mate 20 Pro from 0 to 60% in just half an hour. Crazy. Now the Kirin 980 is also the first chip to be built around the new Cortex A76 CPU and the Mali G76 GPU. Okay, forget all that. To make you understand what kind of a beast this is, let's do something. We all know what kind of a beast the Snapdragon 845 chip is. Now here's a quick look at how good the Kirin 980 is compared to 845. The new NPU is also significantly better than the competition. So all in all, it's a great upgrade in terms of performance. It's quite evident while gaming as well. Finally, we have the cameras. Huawei is going all guns blazing here. I love that, by the way. So there is a 40 megapixel f1.8 primary camera, an 8 megapixel f2.4 telephoto camera for 3x optical zoom. These cameras are the same as the ones found on the P20 Pro. The third one is a brand new 20 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide angle camera, like the one found on LG flagships. So this is the regular camera, 3x optical zoom, wide angle camera. There are a ton of features packed in the camera app. Night mode works really well. Here's a comparison between regular mode and night mode pictures. Although I find Google camera's night sight mode to be better. Portrait mode has these different lighting modes. HDR works really well. We have a full-fledged Pro mode which lets you control every camera setting. The only thing I hate about the app is you need to swipe all the way to the right, tap more, and only then access the HDR mode. There is no HDR toggle on the main screen. I mean, when the HDR mode can make so much difference in the image, why not put it alongside flash and motion photo on the main screen? Anyway, the fact that we can now shoot normal angle shots, ultra wide angle shots, and zoomed in shots without quality loss all on the same phone is just mind boggling. So those are some unique, incredible features the Mate 20 Pro packs. It was recently launched in India at 69,990 rupees, in other words 70,000 rupees. If you're about to get a flagship phone right now, are you impressed enough by these features to consider buying this over the competition? The Note 9 is currently available for around 62,000. The iPhone XR and XS are obviously more expensive. The Pixel 3 XL is around 80,000. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Hit thumbs up and subscribe to Technology Jock for more videos like this. Hit the bell icon as well to get notifications for my future videos. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Sundar, leaving for the moment. Have a great day.